Shut your bitch ass up!
Welcome back to another vlog style video. So for today's video, we get Randy's car back from the paint shop, and I guess that's pretty much it. But first, I don't know, but that paint looking good. Woo! You kind of got it.
I tried turning, but I couldn't turn.
I seen it. She's scared to full throttle it. It won't be long till I have to get her one. And with my mom. I'm gonna be broke dealing with females.
Super facts!
I wanna do some flybys. She almost just crashed. You know how to work the camera?
I think.
This is the focus 3. The smaller one. There you go. Am I in focus?
I think
It
so.
should look red. Probably not.
Yeah. Your hair looks red.
That's hilarious. A couple that slay some Kentucky Fried stays together.
Something like that.
Something like that. Now it's time to go get the car from the paint shop. What's up, Dutch? Today is the day we get the RSX. Wide angle, bro. Plenty. I can make a whole vlog like this. Man, I'm watching. Nice, bro. Flex. Wow. My fault, bro. I tried to do a cool cinematography shot, but not in focus at all. What's up, Caitlin, bro? What's going on?
You know,
You right?
the usual.
What's up, Rob? What's going on?
What's up, bitch?
Today should be a good day.
Beep it out. Beep.
I'll probably cue it in there.
Oh, you getting shot. He's an HP. Walk faster, Robert. Come on, we ain't got time to waste, bro.
Oh yeah, we're on time crunch. Look at me go.
Okay, you look like a penguin. Alright, so now we're at Roberto's shop to get his car loaded because we're going to be dropping off his car and then we're going to pick up Randy's. Okay, time to pick up the RSX. And like, yo, what's Randy gets RSX back from paint? Well, today's the day. This is the color. Look at that. That's wild. Man, this thing is mint. This is Randy's RSX, y'all. Shit clean. Yeah, really, that shit nice. Oh, they didn't even paint the bottom thing like they said they were gonna do.
The subframe?
Yeah.
But you won't really be able to see it.
He gonna bolt that subframe and go get it powder coated. He should do that.
Yeah, but they're supposed to do that.
They're supposed to paint the subframe? I would honestly drop it and go powder. That's what I'm gonna Back at Randy's, how the car looks kind of when the sun is down.
Bro, this is your car, bro.
I'm taking them off.
Hey, this is your car, bro. Now I guess we're gonna what? Unload it and put it in the garage. True. I'd be scared to put it in the garage too. Oh, my ISO was down.
Your what?
My ISO was down, so now it should look different.
Tell what they did.
Yeah, word. All right, hatch time. Randy's hatch been down for like 3 weeks because it just goes straight lean mode after idle. Always knew that he needed to get his injectors clean, but it could be a fuel filter because when you're 85, it breaks down the contaminants and shit that's in the regular fuel filter. Yeah, it breaks down the paper and clogs up your injectors and shit. So hopefully this fixes it. If not, gotta send off the injector. Bro, you got an oil filter as your fuel filter?
Yeah, bro.
I'm proud of you, man. You making big moves out here, bro. Big moves. Your shit's a slow ratio on the ruckus, bro.
Alright, walk and go get yours.
Walk? Kid, you acting real ratchet, bro. Co-star. Haven't started in like 3 weeks.
They didn't start with it?
Nah, I just co-started. Shit, constant too.
That shit was up. This second one was up like
Well, let's see if did Randy fix his car. Did y'all want to place bets?
I think it's gonna go perfect, right?
How much you want to bet?
As much as you got, so 0.
I got $2 cash.
$2 in.
All right, what you playing some bets, Justin?
Oh. But it's Randy Bill. You ain't never gonna be able to fucking guess what this thing.
Super facts.
Well, forgot to close out the video since last night. The fuel filter didn't fix Randy's problem, and actually something happened to Randy's car today, but I'll say that for another video. But you guys won't guess what happened. I know you guys won't guess what happened because it's like the craziest thing that did happen. But other than that, Randy's car is back home from the paint shop after like 3 months, and $4,500 later, boy was happy. Now he's not too happy because what happened with the hatch. Yeah. And this rain is getting closer and closer to hitting me, dog. You know, I'm black. I can't swim. I ain't feel right just closing the video without saying thank you guys for watching the video. If you thought this video was dope in any way, shape, or form, smash that like button for you, boy. That'd be greatly appreciated. I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys for watching. I'm out.